Starting off with the clear skin, there is nothing on my face. So first I'm gonna put concealer on my eyelids, and if you have eye primer, just go for it. It's the best option. And then I'm just blending it with the help of brush, and this brush is from Shein. I will leave the link in the description box. And now I'm just setting my concealer with the help of Color Essence. This is in the shade Dusky. You can use whatever you like. And now I'm using this Nykaa's palette in the shade Daydreaming and picking up the white eyeshadow with the help of my fingers just to create a good canvas so that my shades will pop out even more. And now I'm taking the black eyeshadow from Maybelline Nudes palette. You can take black eyeshadow from whatever palette you have and just drawing a basic eyeliner. Like, you don't have to be clean or neat in this. You can just do it because we have to smudge it in the end. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the blending now. So I'm just gonna pick the burnt orange shade and blend the both colors. I'm gonna do this process until I get satisfied with what I want. All my brushes are from Shein.com. I'm not forcing you to buy from Shein, but just in case if you want, I will leave the link in the description box below. So yeah, you can see again I'm taking the black eyeshadow and patting over it because I just want the color to pop out so that smudging will look nice. So yeah. So that's how look in this lightings, like without the ring light. So in ring light you can see actually what colors I'm taking. So yeah, I'm gonna repeat the steps on another eye also. So yeah, you can see I'm just gonna do the same things but in different lightings. So please comment down below which lightings you prefer. So I'm gonna make video with that lightings only. Also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe guys. It really motivates me to make new videos and put new contents out there. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe and also don't forget to like my videos. So as you can see, I'm just repeating the same steps on another eye. So yeah. I'm so sorry for blocking the camera. I realized it later, but yeah, please forgive me for that. So this video, in this every clip I have just increased the speed because it was too long, but I don't want to trim because I want to show you every step of my makeup so that it will be in detailed. So yeah, just don't poke your eyes, go slow with your eyes. And now I'm gonna draw my eyebrow with the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow in the shade 02 Grey Brown. So I'm just gonna comb and just gonna draw the outline first and then just fill in the sparse area. And I'm not gonna touch the front section because then it will look more artificial and I don't want that. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill the sparse area, just gonna do the tail and just comb it out. And the very important step, then I'm taking the concealer on back of my hand and just with the help of this concealer brush, I'm just carving out the edges of my eyebrow so that it will give you more cleaner, neater and sharp eyebrows. And also I'm going to put some concealer on my outer corner of the eyes so that it will give me more cleaner, sharper and a kind of wing, like a proper wing kind of look. So it will just not look messed up. So I'm just gonna do with both eyes. Now I'm just doing my another eyebrow. So yeah, you can see I'm gonna repeat the same steps. Yeah. Now it's time for my foundation. So I'm taking Nykaa's Anti-Pollution Foundation in the shade 12 True Toffee. It has a very nice warm undertone. You can also watch my full video on this. I will leave the link in the description box below. Just if you want to know how beautiful this foundation is, you can just go ahead and check out my video. And I'm just blending here with the help of my brush, and if you're good with Beauty Blender, just go ahead and blend it. And I'm so in love with its finish and its coverage. It's medium to high coverage. You can just build up the coverage. So yeah, I just love this foundation. And now I'm gonna put the foundation with different lighting, so just to show you the color, the blend, the finish. So yeah. Also, if you want the seamless finish, the seamless base, so just don't forget to blend your hairlines and just don't forget to blend every corner of your face, so then it will look the seamless, flawless base. And now I'm setting with the help of compact like my under eye area and T-zone. And yeah, this is how it looks with the ring light. So now I'm going to do the baking with the help of this Johnson's baby powder. You can take any loose powder, and I'm just going to put a layer of this powder under my eye, on my jawline, on my T-zone area. And now I'm putting Sugar's blush in the shade 03 Mauve Marble. So you can see I'm gonna just put a lot of blush. I don't know, these days I'm just a big fan of blushes. And I really love this blush. It gives you the natural finish, but at the same time it also gives you the pigment. And now I'm dusting off the excess of the loose powder, and I'm done with my baking, and I'm completely in love with my base. And just gonna spray my toner as a makeup fixer. You know this drill, right? And now it's time to complete our eye look. So I'm gonna take that burnt orange shade again and put that shade on my lower lash line and connect it with my upper lash line so that it will look complete, because without a lower lash line your eye makeup will look naked. So yeah, just don't forget to do that. And now I'm gonna put my favorite Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And yeah, you can see. And now I'm just gonna put highlighter on my inner corners, on my nose. Also, I'm gonna put some highlighter on my brow bone and above my brow bone, so it will just give you the more edgy look and more cleaner look. So yeah. After putting a loads of highlighter, it's time to again redo my lower lash line. So I'm taking a little bit of black eyeshadow with that burnt orange and redoing my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna just put the Essence mascara, removing of the excess and just putting on my lash. And now it's time for my favorite part, that's lipstick. So I'm putting a nude shade. It's Nude Nuance from Maybelline Creamy Mattes, and then topping it off with Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse in the shade Chocolate Mousse. Everything will be given in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And isn't it such a beautiful shade? I am in so love with this combo. So now I'm gonna put this jhumki, wear this jhumki. These are from everstylish.com and I completely love them. And now I'm gonna do a bindi with the help of a blue kajal and put that blue dupatta and just flaunt. And now I'm gonna keep flaunting, so please make sure to subscribe my channel, guys, and also don't forget to like my videos. And yeah, thank you so much for giving your precious time to me and watching this tutorial. I hope you like it, and just in case if you want anything else, comment down below. I will definitely make video on that.